Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How to say love in Urdu? If you want to say love in Urdu, you have to watch this video in Urdu. There are two ways to say love in Urdu. So, first way, P-Y-A-R, pyar, pyar, pyar. First way is to say love, pyar. Pe, ye, alif, re, pyar. Pe, ye, alif, re, pyar. The second way to say love in Urdu, muhabbat, muhabbat. M-U-H-A-B-B-A-T, muhabbat, muhabbat. Second way to say love in Urdu, muhabbat. Mim, he, be, te, muhabbat. First pyar, second muhabbat. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Goodbye.